In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide your IP address on iPhone. Hiding your iPhone's IP address is crucial for protecting your privacy and security online. By masking your IP address, you prevent websites, apps, and online services from tracking your browsing activities and collecting personal data. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the Settings page, head into the Mobile Data option. You will then select on this second option of Mobile Data Options. On the last option of Limit IP Address Tracking, make sure to enable this option. When turned on, no one will have access to your browsing history and other online activities on your iPhone. This enhances your security by making it harder for hackers to locate your device and launch attacks. That's how easy it is to hide your Internet Protocol address on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.